there is something very special about this boulevard. Its grandeur architecture, chestnut trees, and view over the bay create a very special atmosphere here. For over 150 years, Primorsky Boulevard is Odessa's marine facade. But what was here when the city was just founded? When Odessa was just founded, the war with the Ottoman Turkey was going on. Odessa was the frontier of the empire. The city officials didn't know what to expect. They built here military barracks for the officers of the Russian army, a hospital, a bakery. Everything could be converted into fortifications in case the enemy decided to come back. So 15 years later, the war with the Ottoman Turkey finished, the barracks were not needed and were destroyed. Now, Primorsky Boulevard is one of the city's premier locations, but it was not always so. The city had built the city theater, houses along Deribasovskaya and other central streets. And here was the rubbish dump. Only in 1820s, Odessa's construction committee gave here land to upper-class people, Russian and Polish aristocrats, Western European merchants who were moving to Odessa. They had to build beautiful houses and do it fast. First mansion built on the boulevard is this house behind me. It belonged to Russian aristocrats. For over 100 years, it houses the oldest operating hotel in the city. Sergei Eisenstein, the film director of the Battleship Potemkin movie, worked on the script of the film in one of the rooms there. Each mansion on the boulevard can tell an exciting story. One of the houses on the boulevard belonged to the Jewish family of the Efrusi and was later described in the famous novel The Hare with Amber Eyes. A lot of exciting stories. Kandinsky, Chekhov, Robert Louis Stevenson, Isaac Babel, Rothschilds. These are just some of the names connected with the boulevard. In our next episode, we'll share with you some of the secrets and splendors of Odessa's iconic site, the famous opera and ballet theater. Bye-bye!